Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create phases, project phases in Revit. Okay, project phases are tools used for renovation projects or a project that involves different phases, just to be able to show all the stages in one project instead of duplicating the files and maybe renaming it, for example, as built drawing. Then you duplicate another file and maybe name it fully constructed drawing. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create different phases in one project. Okay, so currently if you look at your properties bar, you will notice that there is phase filter showing show all and there is phase showing new construction. Okay, so the new construction is meant to be like, it's kind of like the finished, like a finished phase. So ideally is like a finished phase. So you first go to manage, then go to design phases. Okay, so you see existing, you see new construction. Let's just rename this one as final proposal or final renovation drawings. Okay, so we're going to click OK. So as you can see, it's currently, this phase now is currently innovation drawing. So the first thing we're going to do is to convert all the components we have modeled now into the existing phase, because if I change it to existing phase now, you see nothing. So we are going to transfer all these components now to existing phase. But normally, just bear in mind that you can easily start from existing phase, because before you start modeling anything, you can set it at the existing phase. So everything you start modeling will be in that phase, just to note. But since I've already modeled this project as built or construction phase, it will reflect as this thing. So the phase created is in that finished phase, that is renovation drawings, we renamed it as. So I'm just going to change it to existing. Okay, as you can see, the thing has kind of black out now. So we're now going to go to existing plans. So as you can see, the model is back again as usual in existing. Okay, so we're now going to go to this renovation drawings to start modifying what you want to renovate. But first of all, we'll go to existing and start clicking, go to modify, then click on demolition. Okay, oh wait, sorry, let's just do a rewind back. So we're going to go to renovation drawings and going to demolish it in this renovation drawings. So we're going to demolish, we're going to demolish, we're going to demolish, we're going to demolish. Okay, and we're going to click on this phase filter to show complete and apply. So it's now like a blank wall as we have demolished it. So we're now going to go to level 0 now. Okay, and make sure that is in show complete, so we won't have these old windows bulging in. Okay, so instead we are going to, in this renovation, let's just put maybe a storefront here, and let's give it an offset of 300 and just create storefronts in the renovation drawing. Let's just set this storefront to have munions. So we're going to click on edit in place, edit type, and set it to have munions. Okay, let's just set it. I know it's not really important in this video, but can't control it, so let's just 50 by 150 millimeter, 50 by 150 rectangular munion, 50 by 150. Do the same for the horizontal munions. Okay, that should do it. So we'll just click OK. So we are going to place a new door. We are going to place it normal single swing door. Okay, let's just add a terrace in this renovation. So we're going to click wall, normal, I'll just pick a regular wall and set it. Let's just set it to somewhere that won't be too high. Okay, and just set it at Let's set it at 900. Set this one at 0, or set this one at minus 33. So then we're going to just draw this wall here, okay, and we're going to go to architecture. Please keep in mind that we are under renovation phase, so anything we are doing in this renovation phase will not be reflecting in that existing phase. Just take note. So we'll just draw railing and go to 3D and see what we have done. Okay, so see what we have done so far in this renovation phase. So we are now going to go back to this existing phase and click apply. As you can see, we have reverted back to how the existing phase originally was. So in this view now, for example, let's rename this view as ground floor. Okay, yes, and to rename the level as ground floor. So for example, we're in ground floor now. We can change this one now to existing now, and now duplicate another view, or rename this view now as ground floor existing. Ground floor existing. Okay, let's now correspond the corresponding views. So we're going to duplicate view, then rename this one as ground floor renovated. Okay, so in this ground floor renovated, I'm just going to change it to renovated drawings. So there is now ground floor existing and ground floor renovated, so you can easily carry it to a sheet now and put it ground floor existing and ground floor renovated. So in this option now, you can now show the client that easily in one project that, okay, this is the existing ground floor and this is the proposed renovation plan for this project. So it's just as easy as that. You can use this thing apart from even in presentation stage, showing different concepts and all. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is how to use phasing in Revit. So please, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we release new video. It helps both of us. Okay, and have a nice day, and thank you very much.